this video we are going to make a Christmas related scratch game in under 10 minutes. Okay, let's start by opening up Scratch, creating a new project. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this cat into a reindeer. So first of all, get to the circle and let's make that red. That is the Rudolph nose. Fantastic. Next, what we need to do is create some antlers, sorry. I think they sort of look like that. And there is our Rudolph. So press the tick button and there we go. Let's make it slightly smaller. Great. So next what we want to do is create a joypad because we want to move our reindeer around. So that's going to go there. And then let's select blue. And we want purple. Now these colours are the same colours on the send message, so you can change them, but they need to be, well, they don't need to be, it's just easier for reference. Okay, so when that is touched, it sends an orange message. When the purple one is touched, it sends a purple message. When the blue is touched, it sends a blue message. And when the red is touched, it sends a red message. Right, let's code our reindeer, our Rudolph here. So I like to set it up like this just so that I don't get confused and I know which direction is which. So when the blue is pressed, we want Rudolph to go left. When red is pressed, we want it to go right. When purple is pressed, we want it to go up. And when orange is pressed, we want it to go down. Let's see if that works. Fantastic, it does. Great. So next what we're going to do is create our countdown timer. So I want to create a second screen first of all. We're going to delete this guy and put our reindeer back in. And we're going to add some text. Oh. There we go. Great. So we're just going to have that there for our second screen. So we wanted to create a countdown timer. So what I need to do is create an arrow. And I also need a sort of clock face. Okay, let's put this up here. Let's put that there. Let's make it slightly smaller. Wrong one. Let's make the arrow slightly smaller. It's fantastic. Great. Now what we want to do is we want to code the arrow to go round. So when the green flag is touched, I want the arrow to rotate round every 0.3 of a second. And we want that to go 12 times. And then when that is finished, we want to access the second screen. So let's test that quickly. Brilliant. Okay, so when the timer is up, then that does that. Brilliant. So that will start on the green frame. Now what we want to do is create the things we're going to collect. So let's create some, let's collect some Christmas puddings. So, black Christmas puddings are round. They have sort of like icing on them. So let's do this bit brown, this bit white. Great. And let's have 2 circles for the berries. Great. And let's go black again. Free tool. Let's create the leaves of the holly. Great. So leave that way for a second. Slightly rotate that so it's around. Okay, so let's make that a bit smaller. That's bigger. Try smaller. It's below. There we go. Great. And then what we're going to do when that is touched, simply it disappears. So let's add a few more of these. Different sizes. One more, I think. Great. So we've already got the code here for this one. This one's already got the code. So what we're going to do is just copy that code across. Okay, so there we are. Let's move this so it's a little bit more easy to use. Full screen. Let's go. Right, let's collect some. There we go. Fantastic. Can we do it? Merry Christmas. Excellent stuff, everybody. Well done. Congratulations and well done on making your game. If you do need any help or have any questions, please leave a comment below. The next video should appear somewhere on the screen shortly. And if you want to keep up with all the games we're producing throughout December, please subscribe here.